Wow, beautiful brush pen color. I will use it in this video. Hey little kids, welcome back to my channel. Today I will learn you how to draw different types of fan. Here I draw a stand fan and a colorful rainbow hand fan. So follow my every steps and try to draw with me. I draw the picture, now it's time to color it. First one I am using red color, orange color, this is yellow color, this is light green color, light blue color, this is purple color, this is deep pink color, this is called turquoise color, and this is deep blue color. I'm again using here red color, again using yellow color, and the last one I'm using turquoise color. Wow, the fans are looking so beautiful. You should also try to draw it at home. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye bye little kids.